Today, I'm going to tell you how I realized that I can access Akashic Records. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Sanskriti Sethi, I'm an Akashic Record reader, automatic writing and mediumship coach, and here, your soul guide. So when I go back to my childhood memories, I used to sit on my terrace and see geometrical figures in the moon. I used to talk to plants, lands. Whenever I used to see anything, I used to forecast it. And that was very disturbing for me as a child because there was nobody to tell me why is this happening with me. I will tell you an incident. In my extreme childhood, I used to stay in apartments. And many a times when I used to see from third floor to ground floor, I used to tell my mother that something is buried in the ground. One fine day at night, I decided to dig into that pot and see what is hidden there. You cannot believe it. I found a rarest coin when I digged into that pit, and I still have it. Write in the comments if you want to see that. Then I'll share another experience. There was one of my friend whose property was not selling, and through my ancestral channeling through Akashic Records, my ancestors gave a figure that at this particular price, your property would be sold out. And guess what? When the deal was done, the price was exactly the same. These are very rare cases, but that's how I started finding within myself that yes, I have some magical thing in me which I don't know what is, but I'm still exploring it. And since then, I've come a long way when I've been reading Akashic Records globally in 24 plus countries, different geographies. My youngest client is 18 years and my eldest client is 78 years. So many cultures, so many age groups, so many genders I've been able to cater through my Akashic Records reading. We all have an inbuilt system in us where we can access our Akashic Records and know so many things from our past life. As a guidance and a tool to take guided decisions in life, it's just the connection between our subconscious mind and conscious mind has weakened with time. Write in the comments if you want me to make a video on how to use subconscious mind for manifestation. Today also, when I do Akashic Record reading, the channeling of messages comes through me when I'm healing a person through the Akashic Records, and when I do live with my clients, the energies is just wow. Do you want to hear from some of my clients?
Once Sanskriti ma'am accessed my Akashic Records, I received a very detailed report of my Akashic Records, which included insightful information from my past lives and the blockages that were there. And Sanskriti ma'am also suggested some healings.
Hello Sanskriti ma'am, thank you so much for your session. मुझे जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स थी या मुझे जो भी चीज़ें मैं फेस कर रही थी, आपने सबका एग्जैक्ट सही से आंसर दिया कि किस वजह से वो मेरी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं, और उनकी रेमेडी भी अच्छे से बताई, और मैं वो सब करूँगी और होप कि मुझे बहुत जल्दी पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट मिले उनका.
The pain I was having before, now the pain is released. Head pain.
Wonderful, thank you so much. So healings with Akashic Records for body pain is actually for that. Single session, you're feeling relieved?
Yes.
I'm feeling really very good because the last couple of days actually has been very hectic at work. But there was not even one moment when I felt, there's a dip in the energy. I was the same cheerful self. And this is rubbed off so much on the client who came for the client visit that was there in the office, that they are so happy with the way they just felt that it is so warm. But I'm feeling really good. There's no doubt about it.
So I hope you all enjoyed it. So that's it for today. Like, share, subscribe. So if you have any question related to Akashic Records, write in the comments. I'll try to take your question in my next video. And if you want me to make video on any other topic, please write in the comments. I will definitely try my best to take your question. Till then, take care and I'll see you in the next video.